Vietnam. Today, we're going to see an abandoned theme park, rumored to be full of crocodiles. It was a water park, and when they closed down, they didn't remove the crocodiles. So it's supposed to be an interesting sight, but I won't be getting in the water, so stick around. Okay, I'm gonna give this guy a ride. I don't know how far we're going. He just flagged me down. He's got his helmet on. There's his wife. Hello, xin chào. And he wanted a ride. So we're gonna give him a ride as far as he wants to go, all the way to Way if that's what he wants. So I love new experiences. I've seen this before. I've seen the elderly people sometimes pull up to a stop sign and wait and get somebody to give them a ride. So it's my first time to participate, and I'm happy to do it. Actually, he said, okay, thank you, in English. So that was pretty cool. My first hitchhiker in Vietnam. So I'll tell you how that worked. I drove by, and he was out standing by the road, trying to wave me down. Well, I was in an area with lots of little businesses, so I thought he was trying to sell me something, but I'm a sucker, so I was like, well, I'll go back and see what he has to sell. And as I turned around, I saw another motorbike pull up, and he was standing beside the motorbike and pointing, and that's when I realized, oh, he has his helmet on. He's looking for a ride. I guess the other motorbike wasn't going far enough. It pulled away and left about the time I got back. When I got back, he hopped right on with me. And so that's my first hitchhiker experience in Vietnam. When you run into the old people in Vietnam, like the hitchhiker I picked up, you have to remember what they've seen. Anybody that age saw this country torn apart by war. When you see somebody that age that no doubt remembers it and they're friendly as they can be to you, it's very refreshing because they have to have some horrible memories. And I don't know which side they were on. It doesn't matter. The war is terrible on either side. So it's just so nice to see people like that being so welcoming and friendly to Americans in their country. As far as I know, I've never been treated badly here for being an American, other than paying the gringo tax, but you pay that everywhere you go. They're really fantastic, warm people, and they have a beautiful country. Okay, I'm here, and you go to the left, past the sign that says no visitors, and you got to pay the guard a little bit. Okay. He said no cameras, I'm turning. So here's the deal. You pull up to the old entrance, the old parking area for the water park. And there's like 2 or 3 guards there. The sign says no admittance. And then you walk down to the entrance where the 3 guards are. Well, one of the guards tells you, no, you can't come this way, and they point you to the side. And then he walks with you down this trail for a minute, collects $20,000, which is $1. And let you go. And in my case, I was filming. He told me no camera. Now in here, you can film. You can do whatever you want in here. He didn't want to be on camera letting us in because officially the park is closed. I don't know how much further it is, but it's hot out today. They make you kind of climb over a mountain. And we went up. And now we're circling back around. But I've now seen the security guy transporting 2 people in this direction. I don't know what he charges for that service, but it might be worth it. It's been one hell of a walk. Let's get the drone out and see what kind of footage I can get. There's an amphitheater over there. My wish came true. Somebody's selling cold water over here. It's hot. I mean hot like Vietnam hot. Vietnamese. Yes. Cold. Yes, cold drink. Little. How much? 10,000 dong. That's a bargain. There you are, 10,000 dong. Thank you.
Thank you.
Bye-bye. See you later. So there you have it. That's what I like about countries like this. In the USA, this would be banned. Nobody would get in. But as it is, somebody's making money selling water. Security guards are making money letting people in. And apparently they're making money giving people rides too. I still haven't been offered a ride, but I'm here now. I'll show you this place from here. So there were supposedly some kind of aquariums inside there. And somewhere, maybe this whole lagoon was full of crocodiles. It might still be. It's said that people were upset. I see a cow over there. People were upset over the crocodiles still being here, and the Vietnamese government removed a lot of them, but not all of them. I mean, how could you know if you got all of them? Sure, and juice even here. If I hadn't just bought this water, I would go for the sugarcane juice. Look at this, stairs going upward. Let's go. Let's see what is up the stairs. This place was built in 2004. It cost about $4 million, they said. $3 million, I don't remember. But they opened it incomplete, hoping that they would make enough revenue to finish it. But it didn't work. It didn't make enough revenue and it was never finished. Look at this, an old stage of some sort. And you can see out. See the dragon's back. Well, some people are up higher, so there must be a way. I saw people at the very top. And this way does not appear to go to the very top. We are trapped. Trapped inside the Dragon Aquarium. A dead end. A dead end. That will not get us anywhere. At the bottom, and this is going up the dragon's anus, if you will. And it goes nowhere. Xin chào. So I'm trying to find the way up there. There are people up there, so I know there's a way. And if I remember, where there's a will, there's a way. So I have the will. Can I find the way? Ooh, it's very dark on this one. Ooh, this is where all the aquariums were. Yes. Very dark. Look, there's a shark coming out of the wall. The other people here joining me in this exploration today. We're all now best friends. But I tell you, unfortunately, I cannot see in front of me. So I have to back up here momentarily. And I will retrieve my phone. And let's get a flashlight. Here we go. Much better. Okay, will this lead to the top? So the aquariums. It's full of fish and crocodiles at one point. And now we are back where we started at the juice lady. Let's go in here. Okay. Nothing there. Steps. These just go. Wow, this is where you access the aquariums. This would have been a staff area. Oh, I see steps going out. I see them. I don't know how I missed these to begin with, but here they are. This is the way to the top, my friends. Or is it just back to the place we were before? Oh, we're back where we were before. We must continue. It says 2 tries, 2 misses. I'll be back when I figure it out. Okay, I've just discovered more steps. Maybe these are the ones that lead to the top. Let's see. Oh, I heard about this place. This is the dragon's ribcage. And I think this takes us to the top. Xin I found it. The stairway to the top. Yes, the view gets better as we go up. There's more of the ribcage of the dragon. Finally, found the top. Okay. Xin chào. Alright. And this is the mouth of the dragon. You can see the legs there, one of the legs. This is the mouth. Hanging out over the tail. There's another leg. And the water slides are over there somewhere. I don't know what that says, but I hope it says water slides. You know? Okay. Y'all looking for the water slides? Yeah. Me too. I don't know if this is the way, but that's what I'm
saying. There's a bridge behind us, and I feel like it might have been that way, but there's a bit
I flew my drone all the way down to the amphitheater from the other side, and I didn't see the water slides anywhere, so they must be hidden by the tree cover. Let's go to the top first. We'll go see them from the top. Maybe get a few pictures and then from the bottom. Completely grown over. Would have been kids playing here. That water at the bottom probably was clean at one point. There's another lagoon over there. The tube to nowhere. Abandoned water park. Nice. It's kind of hard to imagine this place all landscaped. Kids running around, playing in the water, looking at the aquariums, feeding the crocodiles. Looking kind of squatchy down here. A little bit snaky. Here we are, kind of under. There's Klaus. You made it.
Yeah, without seeing any crocodiles.
No crocodiles, me either. In the distance, I see like a kiddie park. Real snaky here. I've never seen so many crocodiles. I'm just kidding, I haven't seen any crocodiles. But I have seen fish in the kiddie pond here, which would feed the crocodiles. And it sure looks squatchy. I mean, I don't see how you could find all the crocodiles here if you tried. This lazy river. Kiddie pool. Oh, look at this. This is cool. I'm thinking maybe this did, or maybe it didn't have as much water in it. Maybe it did. Slide down right into the crocodile pool. Not only is this an abandoned water park, apparently it's also a cattle farm. He's chasing that one with a stick. It's getting away from him. I hear music coming from over there. There's a village over there, I think. Hi, how are you? Yes. Look at the claws and the local pooch. I hope I'm not wrong. I saw some people going in this trail earlier, and it's a different trail than I came in on, but maybe it goes to the same place. If you like my content, please like, subscribe, ring the bell to be notified when I post new content. A new channel, so I really appreciate your support. Thanks for watching. Have a great day. Is this the right trail? We shall see. It's not the trail I came in on.